Today we're going through a new venture ideation for students to come up with a new business idea, an innovative business idea. The whole effort is to help our students come up with the process and identify the process of identifying problems that are existing in their everyday lives so that they can come up with a business solution for that problem. All of this is part of the PSJ Entrepreneurship Institute initiative. This effort is to really help guide and lead our students into the entrepreneurial mindset. So this is really a part of the Institute initiative. This is one of the several of the institutes that we offer. And it's really just an amazing opportunity for us as instructors to see the great ideas and the creativity and all of the amazing ideas that the students have. It's surprising, and it's awesome to see what they're capable of.
I think that entrepreneurship is a great idea and a great program in order to try and start a business for my own. I want to provide a way so that people that are diabetic in the valley or anything can actually find a way to have their own dental care. Fun facts or anything, even my mother, she has struggled with it. So finding ways to not just help my mother but other people will be way better as a whole.
I hope to get as much knowledge as I can out of this institution, and then in my senior year expand that knowledge. But I also want to learn everything there is about the different aspects of marketing, economics, accounting, business management. I'm very grateful for PSJ for hosting this institute. I think it's very generous and very a good part of them to consider our future and creating all these institutes for us.
So you guys are already ahead of the game, okay?
I think it's just really such a wonderful opportunity for us to give back to the community and to engage with our students.